Hello guys, for this new video. So recently I received a couple of requests from you guys in my Facebook profile. If you don't enjoy our Facebook group yet, enjoy right now. The link in the description. So you want me to make a video about Merch Informer and how this website can help you to increase your sales. So today I will do a complete review about Merch Informer and what is the features of this tool, and also I will show you how you can use this tool step by step to increase your sales on Amazon Merch. Hello guys to my channel. My name is Saad. I run this channel uploading daily videos about making money online with different fields like branch and med business, affiliate marketing and more. So if you're interested, I suggest you smash that red button and hit the notification bells. First of all, Merch Informer is a necessary tool you must have if you want to scale your income and take the branch and the med business seriously. Merch Informer help you to increase your sales by giving you exact data about your competitors, and also help you a lot for product research and keyword research and more tools. So I will show you every tool separately, and also I will do more videos about Merch Informer because there is a lot of tools inside you can use. So this is Merch Informer dashboard. Like you see, it's easy to use. First thing you will see is these tutorials. They make a simple video for each tool separately to make you understand the tool you want to use, and this shortens a lot of time, and you can back to see these tutorials every time you're struggling using a search tool. So the first tool we have is the Merchant Search. You can use this tool to search for a store or a brand inside Amazon. The second tool is Product Search. You can use this tool to search for a certain keyword, for example family search. You can choose the marketplace you want in the category. Like you see, the tool gives me more than 500 results, and in this particular keywords, this is the result data. And here you can scroll all these t-shirts. You will have the title of the shirt, the BSR, the description, the reviews, and the price. And also you can see the sales rank and the price of this t-shirt from the first day uploaded. And this is great if you want to work on the idea of this t-shirt. You will have the exact data you need. In the right corner you will have the competition score and related keywords for the first keyword you already entered. Like you see, all these related keywords give you more ideas to inspire, and also you have the search volume for each keyword here, and that's very important. The next tool is the Merch Hunter. These tools are very helpful and best of search in my opinion. This tool allow you to search quickly in the best-selling t-shirts by filter the BSR and the price. Here you can choose the volume of the BSR you want. Of course, the low BSR, the more sales that shirts have. So let's choose from 0 to 200,000. The price range I will keep it in default. Also you can add a specific keyword you target. Here you can choose the best sellers if you want top 100 or 200 or 300. Here the marketplace, and here you can exclude some brands if you want, and click add search. And voila, like you see, all these t-shirts are sold crazy. Look at the estimated sales. 1,800 sales, 1,300 sales, and the results give us all we need from that t-shirt, like the title, the price, the BSR, and the description. And don't forget to exclude some brands. For example, these MTV shirts are branding, so make sure you exclude these popular brands before you start your search. The next tool is the Itsyventura Search. This tool is also simple. Here you type your keywords, and here choose the search engine. You have two choices, Etsy and Pinterest. These tools are great and will help you a lot if you focus on Etsy. For example, I will type family search. So like you see, the tool give us all t-shirts are related to my keyword, and you can filter the results from here by choosing the favorites or the views. And like the product search, you will have the exact data you need, like the title, the price, the description, and the favorites. And the best part is you will have the tags of that specific t-shirt. I think you don't need more than that if you want to analyze the t-shirt. If you want to choose Pinterest, you can switch from here, and also you can filter the results by the comment comment or the pins. Pinterest have some great ideas too if you want to inspire from it. The next tool is the competition checker. This tool helps you to see the competition of a certain keywords. For example, family search. The results appear like this. This is the total products online that have the same keywords, and this is the products with the BSR. It means the products that have the same keywords and also are sold. And this is the total score. This tool will help you to see the level of competition of your niche before you start the work, and it's very helpful. The next tool is the keyword finder. This tool helps you to find new keywords for your niche. For example, family. Like you see, the tool gives you some related keywords with Amazon search volume and Google search volume, and the competition too. Seriously guys, Merch Informer is necessary if you want to increase your sales. The website have a bunch of tools you can use. I will leave the link of Merch Informer in the description below. You can use this discount and benefit from 20% off. And also this is my affiliate link, so I will much appreciate it if you use it. That motivates me and help the channel to grow up. And there is a lot of great tools I don't mention in this video, so I don't like my videos to be very long, so I will do more videos about this great website so that I cover all the wonderful tools this website contains. So be sure you subscribe to the channel guys and hit the notification bells. This is your friend Said with you guys, and see you in the next video.